Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at the home of the Wildcats, South Street Elementary School in Danbury, Connecticut. Beautiful day with the K through 5 students, very emotional day. I got to speak to all the grades about bullying, but more importantly, how we look at someone's heart before anything else. And like the shirt says here, one race human, that we always choose to see people around us as human beings before any other thing, right? And the whole idea is that we can treat others, show them that same empathy, compassion, kindness that we would show our own best friend and people that are the closest to us in our lives. And a big part of that starts with knowing our worth and seeing that in other people around us. So the M on all of our palms, we have the lines, the letter M on all of our hands. M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we truly choose to see our own worth and buy into that and not let other people's opinions define who we are, but then also then we become the light to someone else's heart and then choose to see that in them as well, right? And hopefully we decide to do that, give that love out, and whether we're hurting or have hurt or will hurt, we turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who will heal people. And we start to heal this planet collectively, right? So again, just amazing day from the angle that so many students did share their heart with me and talked about, you know, getting bullied in the past, whether it was because of their height or because of a tooth or glasses or their name, and the list goes on, but at the end of the day, those are just others' opinions, right? And the only one that really truly matters is our own, that we believe this and that our true friends believe this, and they're the ones that really are worth our time and the ones that truly see us for who we are. And people that don't, you know, they need love, and we can be that, hopefully, person that maybe starts to change things in their heart. It makes them start to rethink things and maybe changes their heart for the better. So again, great to meet all of you in person. Hope to be back again soon to share my heart again. Until then, much love. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link here, as well as checking out my website to see where Mr. Peace is going next. And if you want to watch some other amazing videos, there's a playlist here above, but feel free to comment, share, talk about what's going on in your heart as we're all in this together. Peace.